So for the next tutorial, I thought I'd go over the best second method of filming, and that is filming with your cell phone. So let's get right into it. Cell phone filming, there is a bin in the room labeled cell phone filming. And in that bin, you will find a microphone and a tripod. You'll have to supply your own phone, of course. We don't have a phone for filming. So for filming with your phone, this is everything you should need: the tripod, the microphone, and your phone. If you have an iPhone, most likely you'll need to bring your dongle to plug into the aux in order to make it compatible. If you have a newer iPhone, of course, that doesn't have a headphone jack. So what's great about this microphone, it's a little messy and tangled right now, but it won't be that way. There we go. What's nice about this microphone is it has the aux cord, so you just plug that into your phone and it should record with your regular video. If you want to record audio separate from your video, you might need a second device to do that. But even if so, if you just plug this in when you're regularly filming with your camera, you should be able to tell and you should be able to hear it. Moving on to our tripod, I will show you how to set the tripod up. So to set the tripod up, you're simply just going to kind of give it a flick, and then it should come out and look like a triangle. Now, unlike most of the tripods in this room that only have two main adjustments, this one has 5 different height settings. So I'm going to show you that then on the table with just one side. So on one side, there's leg adjustment 1, leg adjustment 2, and then leg adjustment number 3. I'm going to real quickly open up the rest of them, and then I'll show you what it looks like with all the legs extended. So this is what it's going to look like with all the legs extended. It is still significantly shorter than the other tripods, and just to put it into perspective, I'll put it with the other ones. So there is one last height adjustment on this tripod. So if you see this knob right here, if you just twist that to the left, righty tighty, lefty loosey, you can pull it up and it'll raise it about I'd say another 6 inches-ish. It just gives you that extra little bit of height. One other adjustment on this camera is, of course, the phone mounts kind of sideways right now. So to get that flat, you're just going to actually twist this, and then you'll be able to move it up and down. So you can, once you get it kind of level-ish, and there is a level to help you get it level, you can twist it and get it nice and tight. If you want to switch the orientation in which the phone is filmed, this little knob here allows you to tilt this up and down, but mainly we keep it flat. So to put a phone in the tripod, you're going to flip up this and this knob. I'm going to grab my old phone here just to give you an example. So to put it in the tripod, the method I found best is get it under the front 2 tabs and then push up. You can get it under the bottom 2 tabs. I'll show you that again at a different angle. So you're just going to put it in, push it up, and it clicks in. Now, if you do have a bulkier phone, a phone with a case on it, you are going to need to take off the phone case in order for it to fit. Now, because the tripod's a little short, and I know some students are a little bit taller, we do have one of these boxes in the room in order to help get it higher. So the tripod is just a tiny bit bigger than the actual box, as you can see. So to get it on the box, you just want to pull up on the center just enough to get the legs to all kind of sit, just like that. So you pushed up that middle section, sort of brought the legs closer together to get it on the stand. Now, it does cause it to be just probably a little bit wobbly, but it's still fairly stable. I'll try to back up to get you a whole shot of what it kind of looks like sitting there. And then you just record like normal. This way is super, super simple if you're filming with the phone and the tripod. So the phone tripod method is one of the easier methods, and it allows you to be comfortable with your own technology while filming, whereas some of the other cameras, you may not be comfortable with since you haven't used them before. But anyways, the tripod's another really great way to record your own individual items. Anyways, that's it for this second episode. And I know it's a little bit shorter, but it's pretty self-explanatory. Anyways, have a great rest of your day. Let me fall to my groove.